Okay. So this video is to know how to create a network drive or mapping a network drive from a shared folder from OneDrive. So the first thing is to check that we have shared folders, meaning that someone else shared the folder with us. So we just click on the little cloud here, which is our OneDrive account in VL9. Uh, and then just go here and share it. Let me remove really quick. So this is all the files and folder that you have that someone else shared with you. So in order to keep it in here on your files, you click on the three dots and then add a shortcut to my files, which is this one here. Now you can close this one. And then the second step is to check if the device is discoverable to the network. So just go here, click on network. And this means that it's off, meaning that no one can see your computer in that is on the same network. So we just click on the yellow window here and turn on the discovery and file sharing. This has to be complete by an admin permission. So just click on yes, and you will see the devices that are on the same network. There's one thing. The second thing is that you have to be able to share folders and files. So to check this, we just go to control panel. There's two ways, which is one, go here, and then just type control panel, and then you open it. And the second way is Windows key, sorry, Windows key, letter R, and this little window pops up. So just type control, and you will go to the same way. Now we are going to the network and internet. You can go by here or just change the icon for large icons and you will see all the icons. And go to network and sharing center. And then you will go on this one, which is an admin permissions configuration of settings. Um, it will open that you already turn on the public networks. The private networks are off, so suggest to turn it on in case that you have shared folders between uh, co-workers in the same network but are not on the cloud, just private. But now you are discovered in the network. The next thing is to check that you are allowed to pull folder sharing, which is this one. So make sure that this one is on. And then go back here to system and keep this windows open just to have the name of the laptop. We will need it. So we'll go here to Windows Explorer, go to your OneDrive. Right now the folder is synchronized. That's why the little process here. We check back in here again. The folder is actually on your files. So it'll take a minute to upload all the share files and folders on your OneDrive. For now, we can go here, this PC, right click, and map network drive. Select the letter that you want to assign, and then start typing with the backslash, double, and then the name of the laptop, which is this one here. and then backslash, and we'll wait for uh, the folder to appear in here. So let me pause the record. Share folder appeared into our OneDrive folder. We started the process of uh, the network drive. So unless the client decide the letter that they want for this share folder, uh, I'll suggest to put the initial of the folder just for a naming standard. And then they are giving you the option, sorry, the example of how to start typing. But in this case, the server is our computer. A quick shortcut for settings is Windows key and then letter I. We'll go straight to this system. And then you start typing the name of the laptop. And backslash. Then go back here to the OneDrive location. Click on the folder that you were share, and then clicking here to copy the path. So you can use Control C or just right click and copy. And then go back here and either Control V or right click and paste. So before hit on finish, go all over to the beginning to make sure that you don't have this part in here to see. So delete this. Now that you have the network sharing folder enabled, it should appear in here on this side as another drive. That will open by itself. Um, let's open this one here. And here's the new network drive with all the folders on it. What you can do, suggest to do is just rename it to have a short name. There we go. And here's the how to map in a network drive from a share folder from OneDrive. How to move the location of your local folders to your OneDrive folders. So you go here in Windows Explorer. You can either maximize or just keep it how is it. I'll just keep it small. So are these are your OneDrive folders. And this here are your pin local folders. These local folders are the ones that you have in here in this PC. To make sure that all of these are pinned to the location in OneDrive, you go here to the quick access folders, either here or here. Just right click, properties, and then you go on the tab location, and then you move the folder that is in OneDrive. So look for the folders you have under OneDrive. Right now we are working on the desktop folder, so you click on this one and select the folder. Once you select it, apply it, and everything that is on the desktop it will go to the desktop of your OneDrive. So if you log in into a different computer that is under the company domain, you will see every file that was on the desktop. The only thing that won't be able to open are the softwares or application that you have installed on the local machine. So that is all. That's how you move the location of local folders to OneDrive folders. Okay, so because there's no download folder under OneDrive, so I just go here and create a new folder and then name it downloads. The same as this one here. So now we are changing the location from the local to the virtual, I mean, to the cloud, which is OneDrive. So again, right click, properties, sorry, it's backwards. So this one, properties, and then location, then move, go up for OneDrive, downloads, and then select folder. So this icon will change once we hit OK or apply. This is telling you that every file folder that is on this local folder downloads to the OneDrive folder downloads. So you hit yes, and that's how it changed the icon. But everything on the local that was on the local is gonna be in OneDrive as well. That's how you create a new folder and then map the location from the local to the OneDrive folders.